Hey, how's it going? It's Keith Townsend, Principal to CTO Advisor. Welcome to AWS Everyday. For 238 days, we're going to cover each one of the AWS products. Today, we're going to look at AWS Fleetwise, the second IoT product that we're going to examine, and also the second AWS product we're going to examine. So I mentioned yesterday how AWS likes to build upon existing services, and this is pretty opportune. Fleetwise is a service that builds on top of AWS Core. I talked about a very basic use case where we're taking a camera with Linux installed on it and then uploading that data up to the AWS message bus. Agent, very simple concept, but what happens when we have a more complex device? Let's say a car with a ton of sensors in it and in its own network, the Canvas network, where I have transmission, braking systems, GPS, infotainment networks that give very similar information. I'm getting the speed of the vehicle off the GPS. I'm also getting the speed of the vehicle off of the transmission, and I can upload both data sets into the public cloud. As you can imagine, across your fleet, this can get really complex from a ETL perspective. The headers could be different, the measurements can be different, just everything about the data can be very frustrating to manage at scale. Well, the aim of Fleetwise is to solve that problem in two ways. One, the agent is catered and customizable for a car system specifically. So I can choose what data I'm pulling off the Canvas network and what data I'm sending up to the AWS control plane or the message bus from a centralized set of tooling that AWS provides from a console. So this is taking the core IoT solution and then customizing it for a specific industry. I'll link a video which goes into detail where AWS presented at reInvent 2021 with their partner NPX about the hardware integration from the data collection side up to the cloud services and how they're making kind of this real or practical. You want to learn more about the CTO Advisor? You can visit us on the web. thectoadvisor.com is the website. My DMs are open on Twitter at CTO Advisor if you have any questions, or if you're watching this on YouTube, comment below. Talk to you next, Everyday AWS or AWS Everyday.